Hello. It definitely has been a while, and I want to apologize. Making content has been hard lately, and as you can see, I'm in the middle of a midlife crisis at the moment. I got jar, very dangerous blade. I also got another very dangerous blade, ice, and basil. All of these items have been on the floor. So once you're done washing your hands, you need to wash the watermelon. So what you want to do is you want to get a bowl of water and just gently caress the watermelon with your hands. I'm washing the watermelon. What do you mean gross? I'm washing the watermelon. This is how you clean a watermelon. I saw it on Amazon. Fucking Yahoo. So basically, you got a dirty ass watermelon. You need to clean the bitch, and give it a good spanking. Oh shit, the water's dripping.
Well, don't let it just...
I got you. When you're done washing your watermelon and cleaning up your mess, you want to dry the watermelon. Because it's important that the watermelon is as moist as possible. Remember that I didn't say dry.
Then why are we drying it?
So it's moist. It has to, don't do that. It has to be moist. Don't do that. So now we need to take out the increments of the watermelon, also known as watermelon guts. Now I plan to turn this into a helmet when I'm done. Normally I would use a Sharpie and make an outline, but unfortunately we can't do that because I forgot to buy one. And not only that, this watermelon costs $10. So we're just gonna fucking... That's not how you cut in a watermelon. Just go down in the middle and just fucking... Oh! That's hot. You see that? That is the texture you want, okay? This right there, that right there. So now we have this.
Think of it like ice cream.
It's not acting like ice cream.
No, I mean like do it in a big circle.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Okay, that was your fault. That's not what I said at all.
Good, you want some? Why is it making those noises? You know, fucking... Oh, you just want to get as much of the watermelon as you possibly can. Because this, you don't want to waste watermelon. I could probably use a knife. I could probably... Now, as you were talking about, we were trying to find a way to make this watermelon into a gaping hole. And I think I finally found the answer. We dig. We dig. So first we're gonna make like a circle. Loosen it up a bit. You wanna loosen it up a bit. So then, look at all that. Look at all of that. Look how What the fuck are you doing? Dump all this shit. Right? Oh, wow. Listen to this. So, it is semi-done. Head con.
You should probably put it on a lot more.
Yeah, probably. Yeah, just put it. on my. So it's not, as you can see, there's not enough like.
It's a crown. It's a crown.
Which means we need to make it just a little bigger. So we're just gonna do minor adjustments.
Can we at Gordon? Can we post this on Twitter at Gordon Ramsay?
I don't see it.
All right, now we have the melon helmet and the melon crown.
It fits on my head. It fit. It
Now,
fits.
can you get it off?
I think I can. Yes, I can. This is like the fun.
You probably should have done it small, just to start with.
That's true. But I got a fat face, so I'm confident.
I think that's perfect.
Think so?
It's fucking perfect.
It's perfect?
It's perfect.
It's perfect.
It's perfect.
Okay, so we're gonna trim the edges a little bit because it's kind of uncomfortable. It's punching your cheeks. So. More trim.
L'amore canta sempre noi d'attorno, sposammo in
Okay. So, obviously, I look like a fucking retard. You missed! No.
Oh man, I missed the one again.
In behind. Swing. Fuck it. What happened? What'd you do?
It cracked. It cracked.
You cracked my fucking...
It's not that safe.
I still need it. I still fucking need it. It's not that my video isn't over. Dumbass.
la capodià. E chiutta poi tornate poi venuta, sta sempre a casa. La capa botta botta torna attorno a te. Il cuore canta sempre noi d'attorno, sposammo in e.
Tastes like shit. So we're gonna blend it some more.
Seth, you okay? Seth? Seth?
Oh, wait.
Yeah.
Wait.
Okay. Yeah, let me just. Yeah. Like.
Oh, no, please don't go. Don't go, please. I have a YouTube channel. I have fans. Please don't go.